YouTube, Moochie back. We're going to try some trout fishing today. Let's hopefully have some luck. We brought a dough bait, jarred dough bait, store-bought dough bait stuff for trout. I got some live minnows left over from a fishing I did a few weeks ago that's still live. And we got some corn. Let's see what we can find. Hey YouTube. To fishing today, I have two poles. This one is the Lew's Telespeed from Walmart, $20 pole. Perfect for trout fishing and pan fishing. Not a problem with this pole so far. I've caught several fish since I own it. But I'm showing this because I just want to show you my setup for both poles as of right now. If I switch the minnows, I might set it different, but it's a Carolina rig. There's your sinker, small sinker, bullet sinker, your swivel, but I actually used a 2-hook with a drop loop at the bottom. I hope you can see there's one hook, there's the drop loop hook, and that's what we're going to be using today. Oh, that's a nice one right there. Yes. Got him on minnow. I don't know if it's a trout. It's not. They're biting. They're biting. I got him on a minnow. And I think he swallowed my hook. You prick. You're not what I'm aiming for. Why'd you have to swallow it? And good news is it ain't in his throat. Open up. Well, that's my first for the year. I was like, why is that pole moving? And
I seen the that one go, and I thought that it was on that one. Oh, I think that jig might be a little too big for what.
There's some big ones in here, though. This is my little secret spot for spotted bass. Get pretty big here. I got 3 fish of Ohio spotted bass last year.
Did you?
Out of here.
I've never caught big fish out of here. I've caught a bunch of fish out of here, but never no big ones.
My spotted bass, that has to be 18 inches to be fish of Ohio. And my biggest one last year was 21 out of here. 21 inches, but they're not very, they're not fat though. They're super skinny. Like they're really long and nice. But, well, I think it's on. There's that one. I'll release you. I don't really want you, buddy. Go tell the trout to come up this way. Now I gotta set up both poles.